Hello students, welcome to Dayavati Modi Public School. This is our class 1 English grammar class and today we are going to do our lesson number 12, what is happening now. Now let's understand the meaning of what is happening now. Whatever actions is happening now or whatever action is happening in the present is known as what is happening now. इसका मतलब है जो भी एक्शन हम अभी कर रहे हैं या फिर जो भी एक्शंस अभी प्रेजेंट में हो रहे हैं उन्हें हम what is happening now कहते हैं. Now let's understand a rule of what is happening now. The rule is we usually add ing to the doing words to show an action that is happening in the present. इसका मतलब है हम अपने एक्शन वर्ड और डूइंग वर्ड को अगर हम ये शो करना चाहते हैं कि वो अभी हो रहा है, प्रेजेंट में हो रहा है, तो हम उसमें ing ऐड कर देंगे. Now students, let's read these sentences and understand this rule. Now let's see in the first picture, they are playing. Kids are playing, so as we see, we have added ing in our doing word. क्योंकि वो बच्चे अभी खेल रहे हैं, ये काम अभी हो रहा है, इसलिए हमने प्ले के साथ ing ऐड किया है. See the second picture. The baby is sleeping. बेबी स्लीप कर रहा है, अभी स्लीप कर रहा है, इसलिए स्लीप के साथ हमने ing ऐड किया है. Here our doing word is sleep and we have added ing in sleep. It became sleeping. Now let's see the third picture. Preeti is dancing. प्रीति अभी डांस कर रही है. डांस हमारा डूइंग वर्ड है, इसलिए हमने डांस के साथ ing ऐड किया है. Let's see another picture here. Father is washing. Father अभी कार वॉश कर रहे हैं ना, so we will add ing to our doing word. Our doing word is wash. Wash will become washing. Now let's see the next picture. Ravi is painting. Ravi अभी पेंट कर रहा है, so our doing word is paint. And we will add ing to our doing word and it will become painting. Now let's see the next picture. Diya is watering the plants. दिया भी क्या कर रही है? वाटर कर रही है, प्लांट्स को पानी दे रही है. Here water is our doing word, so we will add ing to our doing word, यानी water बन जाएगा watering. Let's see the next picture now. The children are studying English. Children सभी English पढ़ रहे हैं. Study is our doing word here. So we will add ing to our doing word which is study. It will become studying. Now let's see the next picture. Tapan is playing football. तपन फुटबॉल खेल रहा है. क्योंकि तपन खेल रहा है, हमारा डूइंग वर्ड है प्ले. We will write ing to our doing word and play will become playing. Now let's see the last picture. I am riding my bicycle. मैं अपनी साइकिल चला रहा हूँ. Here ride is our doing word. So we will add ing to our doing word and it will become riding. So students, all these sentences those we read right now tell you what is happening now. ये सभी sentences जो हमने पढ़े हैं हमें बताते हैं कि अभी क्या हो रहा है। So dear students, I hope you all have understood this lesson. Students, this is all for today. See you in the next class. Thank you.